almost forgot to open the stream. But whatever. Oh, small stream today. I'm tired. Oh. Okay. Today we are working more on the UI, which is used to be something I hate. Now it's moderately okay. It's not so bad once you get into it. Okay. Oh yeah. Right. I was gonna look at some other guy's project because he did something similar to me. Which means you can copy him. What is this? What is this program doing? Who knows? Import, browse, documents, Godot. Give me that. What is this? Let's see how this. Well, it's using Glaze 2. That's weird. Okay, is this thing gonna work? Yeah, it will. Yeah, that's exactly what I want. And I'll just put it on the scroll. Your code, give it to me. So it's okay, info box with the panel container, with the margin container, with a rebox container, with a label. Okay, let's try to replicate this exactly. So chat panel is a panel. It doesn't need to be that. It doesn't need to be anything. But let's make a duplicate and call it chat panel test, because I can't commit to anything I do in life. Right. And change it to. You spent a control node? Yeah, why not? Well, let's challenge that a bit. Let's do the panel container instead. And then fuck this for now. Did that really keep all the settings? Yeah, it did. Yeah. Okay. Chat panel, which has go direction is normal. Size flags fill. No expand, just fill. And then he added a margin container, which seemed to be fairly normal, I think. I checked the. I'm not sure what his anchor was though. Or if he even cared about it. I guess not. And then a VBox container, which had a label. So add a rich text label. Because rich text is just cooler. The margin for the. Okay, this is really a bit interesting. There's a margin here on the VBox container of let's check 288. That's far too much, but yeah, 196. That's far too incorrect, but let's hang tight a little. Let's try minus 12. Let's try that again. $300. Okay, or 90. And then on the right do, is it 400 this is? Yeah, so maybe 350? 355, 360. Okay. Looks normal-ish. The label. I'm actually wondering what happens if you. Yeah, it works. So let's just try some random ass text. Is there auto wrap here? Octo. Red underline, no. Scroll active, no. Scroll following, no. None of this shit. BB code enabled. Let's try it. Okay, I see nothing. Nothing's upgraded. Why do I see nothing? Is it the same margin? Yeah, it does. It's not working. All sound is extremely low. How do I fix that? Hey Max, even the music? What's the one that, this one is me, I found it on thingy. I could just smack the volume up, maybe that'll help. Just keep talking, alright. But you can hear the music, right? The music is more important than my voice. Alright. I'm trying to make a speech bubble. Oh fuck, didn't mean to delete that all that. Just this one. A little. I can voice is higher than that's probably a good thing, right? Can put it up a little bit, Is it louder now? It's literally 1 decibel louder. I don't know what that, how much that is. Maybe it's just like insanely high now. I swear it wasn't always like this. Okay, how about if I... Okay. I don't even know what that means. I don't think so. Maybe I have once before? I feel like such a fucking boomer when I have to do this shit. hate it. I probably have messed with something, right? Must be something. Right, we're doing it. We're breaking reality. We're going into the Matrix. OBS is here. It's on the main screen. Where do I go? Help me. Settings? Or one of these? We got mic. We got media source, which is doing nothing. We got Mac OS screen capture. Alright, and then this one. Oh, filters. Okay. Whoa. There are no filters. Should I make a filter? Gain? Choosing gain. Whoa. Any recommendations for values? Will it change as I move it? Up the values. Here they go. 8 decibels. That sounds like a lot. Oh. Hello, green red thing. Am I aiming to get into yellow or like just below yellow? This is some fucking magic. Woo! Okay. Hello! That's bad. Hello! 1240. Okay. Someone should make a game about this. Okay. Okay, hello. Yeah, that must be good, right? Maybe I can just naturally speak a little louder as well. I'm not very good at that. Projecting my voice. Let's add one for the music as well. Well, there's more here. There's more filters here. But I know this one. Because right now it's going into the... Maybe because it should be quieter than me, but also hearable? Listenable? So... I see. Okay, peaking is when like starts to like clip or something. And I wish I knew about like audio stuff. Oh wait, maybe I should try putting the audio up on Spotify first before. If it was too loud, it will come out my headphones. Ah, okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it as it is, if it sounds good now. Yeah. At least I think I do. Where like, they boost it to some insane level and it like, sounds awful. It sounds like a man dying. Okay. Anyway. Back to the pink thing. I'm trying to make the window for like... Nice. I've done it. I'm trying to make the window for the like the speech thing on the chat thing, but I'm trying to make it so that... Oh, I fixed it. Okay, never mind. It works now. I'm trying to make it so you can have as much text as you want and it won't like break. But that doesn't work with a rich label text, which is very strange. What's so different about this one? Well, doesn't really matter. It means you can't do funny stuff like make the text be wavy. I don't want the text to be wavy. Having wavy text is very important to me. Maybe it's got some weird margin settings I don't know about. Right 400, bottom 14. Oh, she's doing it. She's saying the Chinese words. Okay, 400, and then what was the bottom? 10? So what's good with the people being shitty? Yeah, like when you do it on this one, it doesn't like go down. I must be missing something here. Maybe if I change the grow direction, no, the size flags? Where are the size flags? Expand? Expand on? Test, test, test. No, doesn't work. That's very strange. No clicking. You said something about the font the other day, right? That it was too small. Clip content. Enables whether the rendering of a account. Maybe that works. No. What was it about the font? And which font? There are now many fonts. What if I put it in regular text? Does regular text work? No. Or does it? No. The fonts on the windows? Yeah, it's very hard to change. That's very hard to change. Like, it shouldn't be. It doesn't seem like it should be. But it is. I can show you what I mean in a second. Stretch ratio? No, okay. No wavy text, we get normal text, and that's it. Regular label, yeah. Ist. The start bar is right. I plan on changing the start bar, because I'm not a fan of it, to be honest. Let me save this first. I plan on redoing the start bar because I don't like it. Like it's too big, the start bar, I think. It doesn't look very... It also doesn't do anything either. Which is a bit weird. It should probably do something, right? But like this font, these fonts need to change, like the ones under the icons. And this icon needs to change. But I don't know, like making this bigger is not this one. It's a hassle. What? How could you tell? That's insane. Dude, you are an artist. You actually could tell that? If someone showed me this, I'd be like, whoa, cool wallpaper you got from, I don't know, some show or something. Something about it. It's absolutely from an AI image. I just had some images lying around. So, you think it should be bigger? I'll show you what happens if you make it bigger. It's not pretty. What one? Chat app. And then you gotta go to into the theme. And what is this window title? I'm gonna get window title. Although I've seen a lot of pictures of anime girls on the internet and been like, that's definitely AI generated. You can just kind of tell sometimes. It's fucked up though. What is this? It's window dialog. Yes, window dialog. Can I just go straight to window dialog, or do I need to like add type? I don't want to add a type. I want to. They should make an AI that can tell you if it's AI generated or not. I'm already lost. I hate themes in Godot. I mean, I could just do it the easy way and like override it, but if you override it, then title font, and then you got a new bitmap font, and then you can, so now it's disappeared for a second. I don't actually know why it disappeared, but it did. Title color needs to be white. Where did the name of the title go? It should be there. So small, maybe? Why is it gone? Does this need to be higher? It's already too hard. And like the thing is, if you make the font bigger, it doesn't make like this part bigger. If you want to make this part bigger, then you gotta go into the theme. Oh, it's just, I hate it. Oops, that's not what I wanted to change. Oh, it's just weird Godot stuff. I'm actually wondering why it's not working right now. After I overrode it. Oh, there it is. I don't know why I showed up. There it is. Okay, so now it's off center. For some reason. Okay, it's there. We found them. I love having infinite time. And then we're gonna find the font size, which is like... It was because I chose that one. What's the default font here? Is there no default font? It's because it didn't have a font. We're gonna make a font. Settings. Font. So, .ttf. Then you gotta put the font in, and I don't remember which one's the default. So we'll put in Malto Sans, because he's my favorite. And then if you make the size bigger, like 32, it's now way bigger than the window. Like the margin, I guess. So maybe if then you gotta change the window margin size. So you gotta go here and window dialog, I guess. I'm already stuck. Do you see the suffering? Okay, I found something. I found the texture that it uses, and it's the height needs to be bigger, right? Because right now the height's, well, hold on, no. The margin needs to be bigger. Right now the margin is 22 at the top, so maybe if I make this bigger, something good will happen. What is happening? Okay, that's not what I want. Maybe if I make this one bigger, something this will happen. Oh! Okay, that just makes it move up and down, which is not really what we want. Did I make this one bigger or smaller? Why does that happen? What the hell? Oh, because it's like moving across the texture. That's pretty cool. How is the Prince of Ices going anyway? The boy. If I change this one. No. Also not working. I mean, I could make like a fake window. Ooh, I'm looking forward to the boss. Yeah, that's okay. You gotta learn how to draw a triangle or something, right, from maths. Axis stretch? Nah, I don't want to stretch anything. Alright, this is the region that If I change one of these values, it will move with the alpha around 20. Yeah, let's not do that. This is like playing with magic. I don't really understand what these values do. But none of them change the size of the title. Let's Google it. Let's Google it. Or maybe we can ask ChatGPT. He'll know. Chat. Hello, good friend. How can I expand the size of a window title in what's this class? And a window dialogue in Godot 3. Send. Adjusting the title bar height property. This is correct. I'm a little embarrassed if it is correct. Select window in the dialogue tree. Okay. Store under custom styles. There are no custom styles. Why did he lie? Maybe he missed over it. What is he talking about? Wait, what is this thing? Nothing. With the new stuff selected, scroll down to margins. This is a custom style. I mean, I perceive him as a guy. Do you perceive him as a guy? Have you asked him his gender? Or them? Oh, why do you perceive it as a guy? That really says a lot about our society. I think for some things I usually perceive them as female, like, well, I mean, anything with a voice, I guess I maybe don't. Like, if there's a voice, I usually don't need to care about it, right? Because the voice will infer the gender. But I guess when I read stuff online, I usually think it's a guy, I guess. But I figure that's just because I am a guy. I guess when I read things that I assume a female would have written, not to be a sexism or anything, but when I'm looking up like recipes for stuff, some, like, I mean, usually it is written by women anyway, but you can tell sometimes from like the way it's written. I'm like, oh, a woman must have wrote this because it's a little more pleasant to read. I don't know why this can get bigger. This can go up, right? But it can't get the... I think it needs more blue. I don't know how to do that. Oh shit, let me make it 0. Maybe it's the texture. Maybe the texture needs to change here. But usually I just read things in my own voice, right? When I think sometimes, I'm usually using my inner voice. So it's just me. NPCs don't know. They don't know about me. I cannot do this. I'm not doing it right now. It's too hard. This is legitimately really hard to work with. So, it's staying small for now. Turn off. Turn off. Oh shit, don't do that. Right. Yeah, I mean, there's a good chance that they could be, right? Have I broken the whole phone? Yes. Yes, I have. How do I save me git? I mean, hold on, let me add action levels. Shouldn't you just kind of have like a, try to make everything like neutral if you don't know in your brain? I'm pushing something because I think I broke everything. If I push the thing I fixed and then quit. Don't save! Don't save! Godot. I'm breaking out of the simulation. You can see my discords. Yeah. I mean, that's true. Although it's kind of changing these days, but it's still pretty true. Fixed it. Why did you scream ad? Like an ad! Intense hatred for ads. Yeah. I don't know what I do now that I think about it. I think I'm just using my own voice most of, like 90% of the time. It's my own voice. I don't get people that like, it's normal to do that when reading something, I guess, but I don't get people that do it with like, like objects. When they call like their car a she. She's pretty fast, huh? It's like, what? They're just an object. Calling like a ship like she? I just don't get it. Maybe they think it sounds cool, but it really doesn't. It's like something like a pirate would do, like a fictional pirate. It's just weird, right? Yeah, she's pretty fast. Yes, my friend, she is pretty fast. Okay. I've never seen anyone, and that's the thing. You only see people do it like with females. They only call objects female. Only females can be objects. Apparently, there are no. One calls a car a he. Let's see if this works. It crashed. Why did it crash? Because it's a panel container and not a panel. Now it will not crash. And I will clap. It still crashed. Why? Because I don't know how labels work. We gotta look up the documentation. Godot label. You know Godot 4 is out now? I'm not gonna upgrade to it because I heard it's a massive hassle, but that's good to know the new one's out. Lots of cool improvements, apparently. Let's see. Godot 4! They released 4, it wasn't beta, now it's in release. It's out. We're on Godot 3.6 or something. 4 is like the new, like big, wow, amazing, we're a real game engine now update. Wait, there's no add text, set text, get text. Yeah, there's no set text. Godot label or rich text label. Expand out. I've been a little tempted to upgrade to it, but it would just probably cause more issues. Not that we have like a massive game or anything, but I saw some people that were saying, oh, I upgraded my game to 4 and now nothing works and it took me 40 hours to fix it. And now the frame rate is slightly higher. I can't find the information I'm looking for. I don't like label. It doesn't even have the add text function, which is really weird. I guess I just append to the text, but yeah, let's do that then. Dot text plus equals. Well, I guess it will never. Yeah, I can do set text. That's fine. Set text is okay. It's a bit weird that you have to do it that way. Now it will work. And then I will clap. Click. It didn't work! Why? Null instance on panel container. Chat box. Chat app has chat box which has a script that creates chat box. Chat panel test is real, right? Is a real thing. Chat panel test which has a script. Oh, what a fool I am. The easiest way to do this is just margin container. Is it slash? It'll probably tell me. Margin, yeah, that's what I want. Okay. Jesus. Alright, now it will definitely work. So we should make a chat bubble of any size. Boom, and it's bigger than the the actual window, but that's okay. That's what I wanted. I just care about verticality. I mean, I would watch it because I'm emotionally invested in it and it being finished. So I don't even know why I stream. It's just it puts me in it makes me work more, even though I don't always do that much. It puts me in the mood to do something. It's like the pressure of having someone behind your back when you're working. So you don't work super effectively, but you do work, which is all I need. Okay, where's chat box? Here's chat box. Okay, let's add a little test here. How's it look on the chat app? Yeah, it's easier to work when someone else is working as well. At least that's what I think. Conversations. Let's take this practice one I'm using. So that's how it gets inserted. Let's just take this. No, you are mine. Okay, that's not really what I expected to happen. But this was a good test. Or was it like auto wrap or anything on this? Yeah. Is that right? Yeah, that's how it looks. And on the chat app, it looks like that. Why is it? Should it be black? It was a good complementary color for pinky, purple, rosa, lila. I don't know. It's got auto wrap. This has a maximum width, I'm guessing. It's 100. So what if we made it 50? Then I changed the wrong one to this one. Still the wrong one. 350. 350. I don't plan on streaming long today though. I gotta remember that I have other hobbies to do. I looked at the wrong fucking thing. Oh my god, get out of here. Where am I? I gotta watch anime, that's my other hobby. I gotta watch the new what's the new Nier? Is it based on the size of this one? Let's find out. That is 350. Oh, it just works. That's amazing. Yeah. I got a good feeling. How's that look on the... Yeah, I mean, it takes up the whole thing, but that's okay. So the minimum size should be, I guess 200 works out, right? 200, 200. Okay. Why is this so long now? What happened? Oh, that's okay. It should be like that, I think. Yeah. Can I margin this a little bit? Or... minus 5? That's 5. Positive 5. On the left, it should be... You want to make it 10? I'm going to make it 20. Okay, that's the actual full box. It's a chat box inside the box that needs to change. So, is that in a scroll container? On the left side, it should be... Ooh, that's not what I expected to happen. What if I do it here? Oh yeah, I fixed it. I fixed it. Damn, he's good on various other things. Okay. It doesn't look different here. I wonder why that is. Let's see it when it runs. Maybe it looks different. No, it still looks fucked up. Oh, what? Did it just change back? Why did it change back? Chat panel. Maybe there's an override I can do. Because this one shouldn't have any weird margin stuff, I don't think. I mean, I can try to add it and see what happens. Maybe it like bubbles up. Nope. It's very adamant about being there. But why? Move back. What? Am I stoned? Why is this happening? Is it because of the minimum size? Maybe if I make it 205 and then add left 5 to the margin and save it. Click on the window, click back. Oop, didn't work. Google time. Godot margin doesn't save. Unchangeable margins. Maybe, okay, could be because it's in a margin container. Even with the panel's margins, when you run the scene, you still see the left margin. Okay, let's try the margin container. I forgot he existed. Margin container, give me your best margins. Nope. But the margin container also changed back. This is some black magic happening on the computer. Alright, but I can override it. So maybe if I just override it, then everything will be happy. No. Can I override it here? Nope. I mean, I could just do it in the code, but that's a bit fucked up. Distance. Well, let's read this. Distance between the node's left edge and its parent control based on anchor left. And anchor left is over here. So maybe if I keep ratio. This is the part I'm not very good at. Visual stuff is so hard, man. It's like 6 million different ways of doing things, and they all kind of work, but you never really understand why. If I change the margin up here. Nothing. It's gotta be within chat box somewhere. Could be the scroll container. But yeah, the scroll container is the whole thing. This is the whole thing as well, right? Okay, maybe no. Let's save that and then go here and come back. It's back. Where's the anchor? The anchor is here. If I make the anchor... Where's the anchor here? Keep ratio. Yeah, because there's 4 anchors, right? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no! The dreaded game editor curse. You don't actually know how it works. Overridden. How do I change inherited margins on tab container? Let's read margin container. Oh, I love to read. Adds a top, left, and bottom right margin to all control nodes that are direct children of the container. To control the margin container's margin, use the margin theme properties listed below. Be careful. Control margin values are different from constant margin values. If you want to change the custom margin value of margin container by code, you should use the following examples. Fuck, I'm reading the 4.0 document. 3.6, 3.6. Please don't be different. Yeah, okay, it's the same. Control margin values are different than constant margin values. Refuses to elaborate. Okay. So the chat panel, see if I can wrap my head around this, is a chat panel, has a margin container, which as a top, it's adding the top left and bottom right margin to all control nodes are direct children of that container, so the VBox and the chat text. But if I override it here, nothing happens. If I do like left 5, and then I can like override it for realsies here, left 5, nothing happens. Let's take the person to like 100 margin. If I then check the chat thing, it hasn't changed. Okay, well it has changed. But okay, but it's because all the children are changing. Fuck, okay. Slightly closer to understanding what the fuck's going on. Maybe I should just change this in code. If that even works. Let's try to change it in code. So if we do the ready function, we get the margin container chat text, and then do margin left equals 5. And now print something for sanity, choose margin and chat text. And then if I run the game, no, I'm done with the font. As in, I'm not working on it anymore because that's not streamable. It's not good content. Now I'm trying to figure out why this is not moving the way I want it to move. I'll show you the example. Oh, wait, why is it like that now? It's like the pink thing in here. It's like, I want it to be slightly to the right, right? This is supposed to be like a chat thing. I want it to be slightly to the right and downwards. And it's here. And it should be like this. Like that, right? And that looks fine. And then if I save it, and then click away and look at it here, it's not changed. Then if I go back, it's back up here. It's wild. So I thought, okay, I'll just change it in the code, and that didn't work either. I'll try and change it here, I guess. How okashi? It is okashi. Whatever that means. It's just very, very strange. It's confusing me a lot. It's still there. It's still there. It's still like that. Why is it like that? I said I was starting to enjoy the visual stuff. It was a lie. I'm lying. No? Am I supposed to? I'm expecting an absolute fuckload back because I don't get paid nearly enough. Because I always throw in like a highball number on the on the farm because I'm scared that they'll like arrest me or something if I do it wrong. I thought it comes in the summer. I think last year I got mine in the summer. But there was one time where I got it like super late, like fall. It wasn't a lot of money though, so maybe they have a higher priority if you have a lot of money. Yeah, mine's just probably gonna go straight to... Yeah, I don't know. I've had some weird things with it before. That was like the first year this year though, and I had like no money basically, so I didn't... It was more of a pleasant surprise when I got it. I wasn't disappointed. I'm probably just gonna put mine straight to the old house fund, apartment fund. There's always like a thought in my head that's like, what if I really fucked up the tax thing this time? What if they're gonna be like, yeah dude, you owe us like some ridiculous amount of money. If they come for me, I'm just gonna be like, hey look, I'm not messing with anyone. I'll pay it. I'll pay the taxes. You should make a dog fund. I talked to a person and I was like, I want a loan, give me the loan. And then she said, you can't get that loan actually, you need more money if you want that loan. And I said, oh, then what should I do? And then she was like, I'll help you get the money. So we're doing that now. Oh, I truly fucked this up. I'm restarting. It's like I requested some amount and then she was like, oh, you don't have enough egg and capital for that. And I was like, okay, how much egg and capital do I need? And then she gave back some vague answer. I just wanted her to say how much. I was basically trying to say, what is the max amount of money I can loan without like with the money I have and the amount I make. And she was like really vague about it for some reason, which is a bit strange. But we're having a chat tomorrow. She's gonna call me and we're gonna chat about it. There's one thing I love, it's talking to people. Yeah, I mean, but this is just for like the application. Like if I want the money, I can get it. It's not like they're just gonna throw the money into my account and be like, you better have a house by tomorrow or it's over. So it's fine. But I was thinking I should go to like other places as well. And be like, they're giving me, like, can you be like, oh, they're giving me this amount, what are you gonna do about it? Probably not, right? They probably would be like, okay, cool. If I go to S-Bank and they'd be like, oh, DNB will give me this much, how much are you gonna give me? I'm gonna move once I get the loan, I guess. I don't know, maybe August? August would be nice. That's a good time to move. I'm not really concerned with when I move, it's more like where I move. Yeah, I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm not sure where, yeah. any opinions? I mean, I'm probably going to stay on the east side because I'm not rich, you know. Yeah, because I think once I have a place, that's when I can be like, okay, now I can actually buy a dog and like not feel bad about it. I can buy a dog and be like, yes, be free, go wherever you want, piss on the floor. I mean, I don't mind if I'm like slightly high up. It's not the end of the world, I guess. It's just that it's hard to have a dog and then you like don't own the place and then the dog's like pissing and shitting everywhere. You're like, okay. Please don't ruin anything. But I wouldn't want it if you're like super high up. It's just super inconvenient. It's super inconvenient not just for the dog but for you as well, right? Yeah, I guess you don't really have that either. I guess I'll prioritize having a patch of grass. It's not a super big deal once they get like once they get bigger, right? Once they're older, then you're free. Yeah, it's very cozy to have a dog. Very, very cozy. I'm not even sure what kind of dog I want. I just know I want one. I was thinking, actually, I put a little bit of thought into it the other day. I think I want a border collie. I think that's the dog I want. Hold on, I take a picture of these values on the site here because I'm gonna forget them once I change them, and I don't want to forget them because they kind of work. There we go. I don't want a border collie or Samoyed or Shiba or the little, what's the little sausage one called? I want a little sausage one maybe. Corgi? Corgi. Yeah. Yeah, I think my mum used to have a border collie and she recommended it when I talked to her about it. Yeah. Corgis are very good. I couldn't be upset with a corgi, no way. What? I thought corgis were like super... Like they don't have the capacity to hurt anything even if they wanted to. It's not in their DNA. I don't even think I wouldn't get my dog put down if it did by me either. I'd probably just try to get it trained, right? But maybe some dogs just don't have it. Yeah, I mean, some dogs are just wild, I guess. All the dogs I've grown up with have been mostly normal. I guess my grandma's dog was a bit weird. Is this a YouTube guy? I'm getting so distracted. This is the guy that was on YouTube, right? That got cancelled. Is that him? He's real? No, it's someone else. I think it was someone else. I found him on Twitter. Anyway, what type of dog are you gonna get? Oh yeah, the one with the long name I remember you mentioning. Hey, shepherds are good. All good dogs. Is there a difference between a lab and a golden retriever? These look like the golden retriever is Scottish. I don't know that. The golden retrievers are just like Labradors with more fur. Look at a different face. Labrador. Oh man, Labrador is such a classic. The classic dog. It's the dog of all dogs. If you search default dog, that's the dog that comes up. Yeah, I guess their face is kind of different. It's more longish. Black Labrador. black service dog. Are those usually golden retrievers? Ah, okay. It's like the ideal dog. It's easygoing, that's all you want, right? I don't never understand why people get like those ugly dogs everyone likes, but look very angry all the time. They're like kind of big. Shit, what are they called? They look like they would fuck you up if you punch them. They're like not that big, but they're like big enough that they could definitely kill you if they wanted to. I'm gonna search dog that kills people, that will come up. Dog that kills people. Where's my browser? Dog that kills people. Images. Him! This fucking lad here. Look at him! Holy shit. What type of dog is this? Pitbull? Yeah, I don't like them. I don't trust them. Some of them are kinda cute though. I'm gonna lie. But like the ones that are angry and like muscly, the ones that are muscly. Yeah. Yeah, they're very cat boy. I just don't like the ones that are a bit too big. It's like, why do you have so many muscles? You're just a dog. Yeah, I'm sure they're fine. Just don't raise them to be murderers. Ah, okay. Is that why they're usually a bit easy to aggravate? Yeah, but are they like naturally angry, or are they just like not that angry? Yeah, I'm sure the dog itself is fine, right? As long as you're good at raising dogs. It's probably maybe a difficult dog to raise. Because like the consequences that it gets angry. Stafford Bull Terrier. Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like they look kind of cute when they're puppies, but then they get older and they're a bit weird looking. Yes, puppies are fine. Yeah, it's true. It's true. They do. It's very good. Yeah, I think I just prefer my dog to be, I don't know, a little, I don't know if dog-like's the right word. Yeah, I guess dog. I want people to look at it and be like, that is a dog. You have successfully raised a dog. It depends what you mean by rat dog. There's some rat dogs I quite like. But my parents' one, when they first got it, I was like, I don't know about this dog, but she's quite good. I can't really remember what type of dog she is. Some kind of terrier. It's like one of these tiny ass things. Like this one? No. No. This one's rat dog. I mean, there's degrees of rat dog. Like Chihuahuas are low to rat dog for me. This one looks like my parents' dog. What is this one? Who are you? Rat Terrier is not called Rat Terrier. It's not the name of the dog. Rat Terrier. Pitiful? You look down on them? Dude, why are you so small? Border Terrier, that's what it is. Yeah, it looks weird. It looks super rat-like. I always call her a rat when I see her. And she doesn't know, because she doesn't know English. But doesn't she look happy? Doesn't they look happy? You can only enjoy life if you're large. Yeah, this one's okay. What was the other one my parents had? I think it was Cairn Terrier. This one's a bit more weird. This is like an old person's dog. I like the dog, but I feel like you need to be like a grandma to have this dog. Yeah, because Chihuahuas are they shake, right? They have like a problem. They shouldn't exist. These ones are okay as well. I wouldn't own one though, but they're nice. Like pugs as well. It's like you're not supposed to be here, dude. You should feel lucky that you're alive. It's just your life is suffering. I've done it. I just have to make this panel invisible. Or just give it a weird material. No, not a shader. Not a shader at all. Any dog that has like weird issues, I guess I want a dog that has could have like weird issues. Like I didn't know like Dalmatians are super likely to get cancer because they're not supposed to have like the spots. I didn't know that. I was like, what? That's insane. I thought they just had funny spots. Yeah, it's true. I swear this is true. I hope I'm not bullshitting like I usually do. This must be true. Certain dog breeds are prone to cancer. Where's Dalmatians? Tell me Dalmatians are on the list. They're not. I swear that like that Dalmatian spots are. They're either bad or good for the dog. But they're not supposed to be there. Do they live longer? Does a Chihuahua live longer than like a Labrador? What? They're so small. I would think that something smaller, it like means its heart gives out quicker or something. I don't know. It just says Dalmatians are just more likely to get skin cancer. I don't know if it's because of the spots. I swear I read that somewhere. Wikipedia will know. Okay. They're working harder. But then how does that work for animals like elephants? I guess they're just built differently. Yeah, that's true. Man, I do hate it when dogs get old and they're like, now I'm not gonna move anymore, and it's like, oh no. I hate that. They're just sitting around all the time. I hated that when my dog was like old. Oh, it was awful. Yeah, elephants, they aren't really doing much. Okay, how does this look on the window? Yes, perfect. That looks exactly how I want it. Only took me like 2 hours, but I got there. Yeah, that part sucks, but yeah, I guess my dog was way chiller when she was old. Like, she used to be angry old. Like, she wasn't angry, but she would like bark at people, and she would bite anyone, but she would like, if she didn't know someone, she would like bark at them constantly. And then she got old, and then she just stopped giving a fuck who was around. So that was also nice. And her life was fine. She still got all the good things about being a dog. So you get the free food, the free walks. Okay, this needs to be its own node. I'm gonna call it. What am I gonna call it? I'm gonna call it. First, needs to go in action levels. Room. Chat box. Chat box. I'm gonna call it finish. No, I'm not gonna call it finish chat box. I'm gonna call it settable chat panel. That's the name. Settable chat panel. Yeah. I would get a cat as well if cats were like, I want cats to be free, but I also don't want to just send an animal out into the wild and just be like, good luck. Something about that I just don't like. And I know you can like have like a indoor cat or whatever, but I'm not into that. What was this function called? message text. Message text. I think those are the only animals I would get. Maybe fish, but like fish are more like a decoration than an animal. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh, I'll do this one and then maybe the other one, and then I'm gonna call it quits. I'll call my parents. I haven't done that for like a little while. Where's the upper one? Let me see that again. What's this? Sender, receiver, dialogue, chat panel. Right, it's not the panel is gone. Why is the panel gone? It doesn't look like it's gone. Maybe because it's 0? What's your size? Have a size. Oh, very large size. Be 50. And then you be 50. Oops. I don't like this song. I'm changing this song. This is not the Elephant Gym I remember from 20 minutes ago. Maybe this album's just weird. How about some Jojo? Okay, send the message. What are you playing at? Why is it like this? Probably because when it adds it to the scroll container and not to the VBox container, right? I'll do it. I'm almost done here, so this will be a good way to end. The end of Anglion. Yeah, that's fine. Updates are always good, finished or not. Okay. One final test with this. I can't believe I got this to work eventually after like almost like an hour and a half of trying. That was wild. Got another one? Yes, perfect. Let's just add a lot. See how it looks on the app. And it's scrollable. I'm so happy that it's scrollable. It's a little bit too big maybe, but that can... It's like a real chat almost. Just need the one on the other side, and then maybe it's a bit bigger. Did you put it on the drive, or is it coming on snail mail? There he is. The prince of all princes. Oh. Am I the only one that doesn't get like notifications on Messenger? I feel like I've complained about this before. It's still happening. Everything I get on Messenger, I get it like... The notification comes up on my phone like legit like 15 minutes after they sent the message. Whoa! There he is. Yo, it looks super sick! There's also little small details. It looks very alive, right? Like the way he holds the stick and he like grips it, and his feet. It's pretty good. And this one, that's just it without the cape. Oh, it's oh, he's doing the. Wow. Yo, this is gonna be so sick. In the middle of this animation. Oh, okay. Right, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, sick. I like it a lot. What is his name? Do our characters have names? Not really. Ice Prince is fine. I like him a lot. I feel like he deserves his own game. That's how much I like him. Yeah, that's easier to do in code. I'm gonna do a few more changes and then I'm gone. I did actually manage to do everything I wanted to do somehow today. Somehow I did it. That's the trick, you just gotta keep working on it. It's actually been pretty, not easy to work on lately, but easier than expected to work on. It was more chill. I guess when I used to open Godot and be like, I don't know how the fuck to do anything. Now I know how to do some things. Feels good, man. Honestly, when I first started it, I was like, there is absolutely no way I'm gonna be able to do this. I was just so sure that I can't, it's not possible. But now, actually, I think it looks like I could show this to someone and be like, yeah, it's a computer. And they would be like, yeah, it does kind of look like a computer, you're right. And that's all I want. And it's got clicks, do you hear the clicks? They may be a bit loud. And when you do the chat, it does the typey type noise, which is also maybe a bit over the top, but I like it. Still got a long way to go, but I like it. I need to fix the fonts. Apparently the font's too small, but yeah, it's a bit loud. I really don't get how sound works on Go or any game engine really. It's like, because like my computer has its own volume settings, and yeah, I don't know. So I have to play around with it and see what works. Yeah, old school style Windows XP, Windows 95. If you want to change something, you can change it. You just gotta ask me first. This probably needs to be a bit bigger, like the... Yeah, I can try to do that, but that's like the kind of thing I'm gonna do at the end and not right now. I feel like this window should be bigger. I didn't want to make the windows resizable because that's its own nightmare of like stuff. But like I feel like this base window could be bigger, especially if you're gonna read text on it. Anything you're gonna read a lot of text on should probably be a little bigger. I haven't done the social media thing yet. I just put a bunch of panels in a container to see if you could do that and scroll it, and you can. I'm not sure how the social media thing is gonna play out. I did make the Birdo logo, yes. Do you think it looks like a bird? You can shit talk it. It's fine. Like okay, thank you. Glad someone sees that. I don't see it anymore. It looks way weirder to me. It looks lewd. It looks something lewd. I don't like it. I'm gonna change it. I never used that. I don't even know what that's like. Yeah, but I feel like it could be, yeah, maybe like an image board. Image board might work actually. Most of the games have like weird image boards on them. What are then? I've kind of just been opening up Mini Streamer Overload and just copying whatever they do, and that's been my... Because they had Twitter, right? Yeah, it could be like a blog or something. Or... They had like fake Twitter in that game, right? Tweeter. Yeah, but there's like look just like Twitter. It's basically just Twitter. Pocketer. Ah. I'm trying to think. Yeah. I'll finish the chat thing first, then work on the other thing. But yeah. Well, kind of. The Twitter thing is modern, because like Twitter is modern, it looks very modern. But like the interface is very old, like very old. Like the start bar looks hella old, and the windows are all square. Square windows just means old to me. So just mixing the aesthetics, but it looks good either way. So. Yeah, like, the whole concept is very modern actually, now that I think about it, so. But yes. Yeah, it's supposed to be more 2000s-ish. These windows are kind of old. But I don't know. I'm not going to change them now, I've already done it. I've already done them. Maybe the backgrounds could be different, like the grey. But I feel like grey is a very 2000s-ish looking window. I don't know. At least the windows I used back then had grey windows. It's weird to think this is a part of the other game. If that makes sense. Like, it feels like I'm making 2 games now. No, that's a bad thing. But it's like there's like a shooting game here somewhere, if you remember. You can go to. And it just works. I haven't touched this code in a long time. It's kind of a miracle it still works. Back to computer. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, but it's fine, right? Because it's supposed to be like real life, right? Even though I don't remember if our twist was that it was or not. But yeah. It's fine. It's fine. That's me. No more stream. Gotta call my mother. Let her know I'm still alive. Yeah, we just had more filters and shaders, and that's what all good indie game devs do. Where's OBS? OBS. Right, I'm out. Goodbye. It is over. I'll stream more next time. I think I'm just gonna stream every time I work. Maybe. Bye bye.